tilapia. Hindi ba siya makakuanhan, no? Hindi. Hello, good morning mga kamars. Ayan, sama po tayo ngayon kay Buddy, kay Sir. Sama tayo sa pangingisda niya. At saka ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano at paano ang paraan po na buhay mangingisda dito sa Agusan Mars. So, just keep on watching. Makita nyo mga kamars, yan po yung view ng Agusan Mars. Ayan, yung lake po na malawak. Ayan.
To thank you for the faith and strength to win the day. Your words bring light, your power never dies and takes my fears away. It's not the hardest thing to do. How can I question you? Throw my life into the fray, let go and live my life your way. Make these changes, make me strong. Lean to His grace to guide you on. Lord, I save from bend and you'll do what you ask of me. Speak these dreams to make me see and believe what you've got coming. Is it worth our time to fight your right to ask me to obey? It's not the hardest thing to do. How can I question you? Throw my life into the fray, let go and live my life your way. Make these changes, make me strong. Lean to His grace to guide you on. Lord, I save from bend and you'll do what you ask of me. Oh, makes all things possible. Life has brought me to my knees. God of
Ang laki mga kamars. Ayun no. Tilapia. Fresh from Agusan, Mars. Isa ka diha, sir.
Kisalom kog pukot
Nga naman.
na tilapia sa ilalom nagsangit
Kita ni mo?
akong nahikapan.
Salom na. Ayan o. Tilapia. Lalom. Lalom, sir, lalom.
Lom. Sa inyo na to.
Yee! Fresh from Agusan, Mars. Tilapia.
Hindi na ako mahiya pag makaharap ng kamera. Bago akong gupit. Ngayon,
Kasalom di ay.
salom ta. Salom mo na to kay bago pa ang pukot.
Kung daan na unsa.
Kung daan na birahon na lang. Wala sa lumay. Video hira.
Ayan mga kamars. Pauwi na kami at saka nakita nyo yung kung paano ang pag-experience po na buhay mangingisda po dito sa Agusan, Mars. Nakita nyo kung paano at saka na-experience nyo din mga kamars kahit na nanonood lang kayo. Shout out kay Yalang TV, sa Mayor Lori Aping Magadan Utasa at sa kanyang asawa po na si Engineer Alvin Utasa, saka kay Ma'am Lisa po Gonzales, at saka kay doon po sa may Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental, at saka sa Pasig City, at saka sa may Quezon City mga kamars. Ayan, thank you so much sa panonood.